good morning everyone. I am the third reporter. This is the continuation of the previous reporter talks about penalties for unlawful acts. So, number 5, manufacture of dangerous drugs and uncontrolled precursor and essential chemicals. The penalty of life imprisonment to death and a fine ranging from 500,000 pesos to 10 million pesos shall be imposed upon any person who, unless authorized by law, shall engage in the manufacture of any dangerous drugs. Now, this statement means that if someone makes harmful drugs without permission by the law, they can face very serious consequences. Specifically, they could be punished with imprisonment, which means spending the rest of their life in prison, and also be fined ranging from 500,000 pesos to 10 million pesos shall be imposed on any person who unless authorized by engage in the manufacture of any dangerous drugs. Next. The penalty of imprisonment ranging from 12 years and 1 day to 20 years, and a fine ranging from 100,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos shall be imposed upon any person who, unless authorized by law, shall manufacture any precursor and essential chemicals. This statement says that if someone makes certain chemicals called controlled precursor without legal permission, they can face a significant amount for a time between 12 and go to prison for a time between 12 years and 1 day to 20 years. And additionally, they may have to pay a fine whose range 100,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos. The presence of any controlled precursor and essential chemical or laboratory equipment in the developing laboratory is a criminal prosecution of the manufacture of any dangerous drug. It shall be considered an aggravating circumstance if the clandestine laboratory is undertaken or established under the following circumstances. This statement means that if authorities find certain chemicals or lab equipment in a secret or illegal lab, it serves as strong evidence that someone is making dangerous drugs. Additionally, if the illegal lab is set up or operating under specific negative conditions, this will make the situation even worse. They are considered an aggravating circumstance. Any phase of manufacturing process is conducted with the person or with lab of minors. Pasabot, if any parts of paggawa of drugs while children were around, or if they have in the process, it makes the situation worse. Any phase or manufacturing process was established or undertaken within 100 meters of a residential church. In simple terms, making drugs near home, school, or business is seen as particularly problematic. Any clandestine laboratory was secured or protected with bobby traps. If a drug lab is set up with traps to harm anyone who gets close, it's considered a very dangerous situation. Any clandestine laboratory was built with legitimate operations. Pasabot, some secret lab were hidden inside business that appear to be illegal or normal. Example, a lab might read this disguised as a regular restaurant or warehouse. In other words, they seemed like a regular company, so people didn't suspect anything wrong was happening in that company. Any employment of a practitioner, chemical engineer, public official, or foreigner. People with a specific job like doctors, scientists, as well as government workers, or people from other countries might be working as involved in this illegal operation. The maximum penalty provided for under this section shall be imposed upon any person who organizes, manages, or acts as a financier of any of the illegal prescribed in this section. But some people with maximum penalty, this part is saying that the heaviest punishment will be given to anyone who organizes, manages, or acts as a financier of any of the illegal activities. The penalty of 12 years and 1 day to 20 years of imprisonment and a fine ranging from 100,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos shall be imposed upon any person who acts as a protector, holder of any violator of the provision under this section. If someone is found guilty of being a protector or consultant, which means giving support or shelter to anyone who breaks the law, they will face serious consequences of a fine ranging from 100,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos. Number 6, ethical chemical diversion of controlled precursor and essential chemicals. The penalty of imprisonment ranging from 12 years and 1 day to 20 years and a fine ranging from 100,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos shall be imposed upon any person who, unless authorized by law, shall illegally divert any controlled precursor and essential chemical. Illegal chemical diversion, this refers to the illegal act of taking or using certain chemicals that are regulated by law without permission. If someone is doing this, taking these chemicals without the legal right to do so, they will face serious consequences. The punishment will be they could go to jail for a minimum of 12 years and 1 day to 20 years, and they may also have to pay a fine which can be from 100,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos. Number 7, manufacture or delivery of equipment, instruments, apparatus, and other paraphernalia of dangerous drugs and controlled precursor and essential chemicals. The law imposes a penalty of imprisonment for 12 and 1 day to 20 years, along with a fine between 100,000 pesos and 500,000 pesos for any who delivers, possesses, with intending or manufactures equipment or paraphernalia for dangerous drugs when knowing or having reason to know that it will be used for illegal drug-related activities. If someone is nasakpan na nag-deliver, having with the intent to deliver or making equipment or paraphernalia for dangerous drugs, they face serious consequences. Ang law states na they can be imprisoned for 12 years and 1 day to 20 years, or na-fine nila between 100,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos. The penalty of of imprisonment ranging from 6 months and 1 day to 4 years. The fine ranging from 10,000 pesos to 50,000 pesos shall be imposed if it could be used to inject, ingest, inhale, or otherwise introduce into the human body a dangerous drug in violation of this act. Lesser penalty or not for personal use. If the equipment or paraphernalia is ginagamit to inject, inhale, or otherwise introduce dangerous drug into someone's body, later ang penalty is still significant. In this case, the punishment is 6 months and 1 day to 4 years and a fine ranging from 10,000 pesos to 50,000 pesos. The maximum penalty provided for under this section shall be imposed upon any person who uses a minor or a mentally incapacitated an individual to deliver such equipment, instruments, apparatus, and other paraphernalia or dangerous drugs. The law has a serious stance against using minors or mentally incapacitated individuals in illegal activities. So, anyone who does this will be anyone who does this will face the maximum penalty. That's all. Thank you.